Welcome to the YourAllNews.com. This news bulletin is sponsored by AJTutorings.com. This news bulletin is about the business news. For detailed information on the news, please visit our website. SBI loan fraud Madhya Pradesh Morena company booked. India, Singapore submarine optical cable and NEC all deal missed transit project Malaysia Myanmar. Petrol prices hiked 6 times in a week. ICICI Lombard to buy Bharti AXA General Insurance. Anand Mahindra Shantanu Narayan to receive 2020 Leadership Award from USIFPF. Gold falls rupees 94 on global cues, silver up by rupees 782. Facebook statement on a hate speech content row says will continue to remove content violating standards. Khadi Essentials, Khadi Global served legal notice by KVIC for fraudulently using their brand name. Railways cancelled tender for 44 Vande Bharat trains after Chinese firms emerged as contender Make in India. Piyush Goyal. Thiruvananthapuram Airport trip PPP Raw Kerala Government High Court move seeking stay privatization. RBI at end of rate cut cycle. Government needs to play decisive role for ECO restoration from SBI economics. Rain showing data and labor movement predict an early and plentiful harvest. India's export uptick lead by East Asian economics. China leads with 78% development report. Government considering pre-packaged resolutions for arrested firms under IBC. Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari calls for reducing road construction costs by 25%. APMCs in Maharashtra observe one-day strike protesting against deregulations of markets. India set to reap bumper harvest. India needs to look at ESG factors to attract major FDI funding. From Mukesh Aghi. India's soybean output to surge by over 8%. Soybean Processors Associations of India. Zojila Pass Tunnel. The mega engineering lowest bidder for Zojila Tunnel quote rupees 4,509 crore for project. US FDA approved ointment found to deal with ill viral infections including COVID-19. Liquor companies introduce a smaller pack to drive sales amid the pandemic. Trains in Bodh. The pandemic has thrown metro rail projects into disarray. COVID-19 saliva diagnosis cheaper, faster alternative to swab testing, says scientists. 24 proposal was rupees 8,594 crore of distressed NBFCs HFCA's sanctions so far under SLS. Amplus Solar first to sell renewable power on India Electricity Exchange Green Market. Power Ministry asks plans to charge late fee at less than 12% per annum. ICICI Lombard General Insurance to acquire Bharti AXA General Insurance. New antibody tests offer a better snapshot of COVID-19 immunity. After TikTok, who will be the next? Lamborghini of music promos. Government withdraws tender to procure 44 semi-high Vande Bharat trains, fresh bids under Make in India soon. Delhi hotels have to take anti-COVID measures like e-wallet, disposable menus. COVID-19 experimental vaccine via pores and skins, intradermal trial nulls for Bharat Biotech. Government to study auto supply chain to boost localization. AGRK, Supreme Court asks Lord do to apprise about the basis of spectrum sharing done by Telecom. Realtors see housing demand pick up with festive gifts, stamp duty cuts. Lupin recalls around 5.61 lakh pouches of birth control pills in the US market. Top 8 data science courses in India. British metal magnate Sanjeev Gupta targets strings of smaller steel buys in India. Amazon India partner Future Retail faces debt deadline as the grace period ends. MPC minutes shows panels hawkish turn on inflation, sovereign bonds decline. Divi's SBI live to see combined inflows of rupees 1,400 crore on Nifty inclusion. Max Healthcare gains on the stock market, debt hits 5% upper limit. Market wrap August 21. Here's all that happened in the market today. Auto stock see sharp restorations, index gains over 20% after falling in March. SEBI's staff group protests Garg's appointment as executive director. India's steel demand expected to contract in FY21. Its rating. Petrol prices hiked 6 times in a week, cost rupees 81.35 a litre in Delhi. Government to hire Deloitte SBI Capital Markets to help LIC prepare for IPO. SEBI NSE urged bank to source gold from exchange platform for hedging. Gold price today rupees 55,950 per 10 grams, silver at rupees 67,800 per kg. Unlocked BFSI 2.0, there is no irrational exuberations in market, says MF expert. KKR India sells CG Power shares worth rupees 30 crore through open market. Divi's Laboratories SBI Life Insurance shares gain on Nifty inclusion. Inflows from the P notes continue to show climb to rupees 63,000 crore. Unlock BFSI 2.0, markets not running ahead of financial system, says MF expert. Davis imposes rupees 2 lakh fine on Orissa Minerals Development Corp. 2%. Yes Bank signs deal to sell its mutual funds enterprise stock deep. VHX buyback rallies 20% as CEO's board to consider fundraising next week. Strides Pharma shares boom 8% on US FDA approved for Usodiol tablets. Thanks for watching the Your Only Judge. Visit our website for the detailed information. We are fetching the latest news from all over the world from each subject area. As you can see on our video are the website shorts. For any advertisement, please visit our contact page. This news bulletin is sponsored by agittutoring.com. Please send us your feedback to improve this channel. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned.